First up is our bot hotshot of the week, Xuanbin Peng, and his amazing team who introduced the XBody 2, an advanced whole-body controller for humanoid robots. Xuanbing took social media by storm, potentially becoming the first to waltz with a humanoid from Unitree. MagicLab, a Chinese startup, has launched humanoid robots specifically for factory job training. Equipped with 42 degrees of freedom, this robot can mimic 70% of human hand gestures for delicate tasks, lift up to 88 pounds, and even roast marshmallows. Then we have Agility Robotics, showcasing Digit, demonstrating 5 different tote moving tasks. This isn't sci-fi anymore. Agiros is mass-producing robots for customer service, logistics, and even household tasks, outpacing competitors at a breakneck speed. Imagine a Stargate opening in the night sky. In Luoyang, drones are launching fireworks while creating intricate designs in the sky, blending tradition with modern tech. NVIDIA just unveiled the Jetson Orin Nano Super, optimized for on-device AI processing in robots, boasting a staggering 70 trillion operations per second for just $249. This is the future of robotics processing. Say hello to Pudu D9, Pudu Robotics' first full-size bipedal humanoid with a human-centric design and agile movement. It's built to serve in diverse applications. Strix is a vertical take-off and landing drone completing its first flight. This uncrewed aerial system is set to redefine aerial operations worldwide. SoftBank CEO Masayoshi Son and incoming President Trump announced a staggering $100 billion investment in the US, with Trump jokingly suggesting they double it. What an opportunity for driving more innovation and expansion in the US. Back with Unitree, the H1 showcases loco manipulation skills, balancing and maneuvering while efficiently handling tasks. Honda unveiled its Unione personal mobility device, designed for diverse user profiles and reaching speeds up to 6.4 kilometers per hour, a game changer for accessible movement. UBTech just integrated its humanoid robots with autonomous mobile robots in a BYD factory, a clear indication of where automation is headed. And to wrap things up, let's take a look at Unitree robots performing in sync, creating mesmerizing formations. Who knew robots could be such great dancers? Guys, we just barely scratched the surface this week. If you haven't done so yet, check out Bots and Beans and join the exciting new robotics community. See you next week.